Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to answer a question on what happens if you decide to deposit some drip tokens into your faucet and then you decide not to do anything with your available 1% every single day. Are you going to get penalized? Is there a problem with that? And so I will be talking about what happens when you decide not to either hydrate or claim your 1% in daily rewards. As you can see, my account balance shows just over 3,000 drip tokens in my deposits, and with drip you earn 1% on whatever you have in your deposits amount. So for me, I am earning around 30 drip tokens every single 24 hours, and those drip tokens show here in my available balance. For you, if you had, let's say, 100 drip tokens here, you would be earning 1 drip token per day. If you had 1,000 drip tokens here, you would be earning 10 drip tokens a day. So what happens if you forget or you don't have time to log into your account to take your available balance and either compound or claim it? What happens to those rewards? Are you going to get penalized? Is there a problem with that? And the simple answer is no, you will not get penalized for forgetting to compound or to claim. Now what will happen is this. Let's say you have what I have. You have 3,000 tokens in your deposits. Every day you'll have 30 drip tokens here. If you forget on the very first day and you come back on the second day, you will now have 60 available tokens. 30 tokens from day 1 and 30 tokens from day 2. 60 available tokens in your available balance. From here, you can choose to hydrate or essentially take your available balance and compound it, put it back into your deposits, or you can come to claim it. You can take your 60 tokens, claim it, pay the 10% claim fee, and you will see those tokens back in your wallet. You had 54 tokens if you chose to claim. Now, what would happen if you deposited, let's say you deposit 100 drip tokens today. You put in 100 drip tokens from here. Well, first off, there is a 10% tax, so you're only left with 90 drip tokens in your deposits. That's fine. You'll make up that money later on. And let's say that instead of compounding or claiming every single day or maybe once a week or whatever it is, let's say those 90 drip tokens, you did absolutely nothing for 365 days. Well, your account would grow 365%. You could take the 365% earnings in your available balance, you could claim it, at which point your wallet would be done unless you decided to deposit more tokens into your deposits balance. And that is because of this max payout. The max payout is 365% of whatever is in your deposits balance. You can look at it like this. Whatever is here, all you need to do is multiply it by 3.65, and that will give you your max payout number. However, with max payout, there is a maximum number that you can earn, which is 100,000 drip tokens. So if you were to get your deposits all the way up as high as they could, when your max payout is 100,000 tokens, all you would do is take those 100,000 tokens and divide by 3.65 times, and you would want no more than 27,397 tokens in your deposits here. Let me say that again. Max is 100,000. The most you can see here is 100,000 drip tokens. That is 3.65 times, or 365% higher than your deposits amount. If you choose to do nothing with what you deposit here, your available balance will continue to grow every day by 1%. You can log in at any moment and take this money out by claiming it, or if you wanted to let your deposits balance grow further, meaning let's say you do nothing for 365 days, on day 366 you log in and you're like, hey, I have 365% on my 90 drip tokens here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it back in my deposits. What you're doing is you are increasing your max payout. Whereas if you chose to take whatever the 365% of the 90 drip tokens here is and claim it, your wallet would be done because you would have claimed all that your wallet can earn. That is why a lot of people choose to hydrate, because they want this number. This is the important number. They want this number to grow all the way up to 100,000 tokens. The higher this number is, the more money you will be able to take out of the site when your wallet is at that highest number. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that clears up what happens if you choose to do nothing with your available balance after making your initial deposits. If you continue adding more drip here, let's say every month you come and you add 10 extra drip tokens, minus the 10% tax, those 9 tokens will appear in your deposits. And the more you get into here, the higher your 1% will be every single day. Hopefully that clears things up, and if it did, please give this video a like, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.